front of me is DOOGEE S98, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Then install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, open it. Thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your DOOGEE's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!